Welcome to Yasmeen Simplifies. This video is solely for the conceptual knowledge of the chapter sets. So let's start. What is the meaning of sets? Sets is a well defined collection of objects. Any collection or a group of objects which is defined in nature, for example, height of students, weight of people, or the color of certain thing, this is well defined. So this will be called as sets. There are various type of sets. Let's understand one by one. First is finite sets. What is finite sets? Finite itself has a meaning that means limited number. So elements are fixed in number. In finite sets, elements are fixed in number. For example, set of oceans. Everyone knows that there are seven oceans in the world. So the set of oceans is seven. Next is infinite set. What is infinite? That means the number of elements in this type of sets is at infinity. There is no limitation of the elements. For example, x less than 0. Any number, any infinite number less than 0 can come in this type of set. Singleton set. As the word said, singleton. That means single. In this type of sets, element is single in number. Set containing only one element is called singleton set. For example, 2. This is a single element in this type of set. Next is empty set. Empty itself has a meaning. So every name has itself meaning. So you need not to be confused. Empty set, a set which has no element is called a empty set or a null set. This is also known as a null set. Symbol of empty set is just curly braces and there is no element, or this also has a meaning of empty set. This is called phi. Now this point has to be noted that whenever there is 0 in this bracket, don't get confused by it that this is empty set. This set has an element, and since it has one element, so it is a singleton set. Similarly with phi also, whenever phi is given in a bracket, this does not mean the set is empty. It means that there is a single element. So let's see, are not empty sets because each of these sets contains one element. So this will ideally be called as singleton set as discussed before. Then there is something called cardinal number. This is very important and this is asked so many times in exams as well. Number of elements or member in a set is called a cardinal number. For example, there is a set and it has 4 elements in it. So the cardinal number of it will be 4. Denotion, that means symbol of cardinal number is n and the name of the set. For example, there is set A. So this will be A. Under this bracket, there will be A. Example, for example, there is a set A and the elements are 4, 5, 6, 8. So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So Na, this is the number of elements of set A. This is the name of the set. Name of the set is A. So here we'll write A. And how many elements are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the cardinal number of set A will be 4. Coming to the next. Next is equal sets. Equal sets means in equal sets we'll compare two sets. When two sets have exactly same elements, it's not same number, it means same elements. The two same elements has to be there in those two sets. Then only those two sets will be called as equal. For example, in set A, there are elements 1, 2 and 3. And in set B, there are elements 2, 1, 3. Order can be any, but elements should be same. Here is 1, 2, here also we have 1, 2 and 3. So cardinal number, that is 3 elements, both elements are same and the number of elements are also same. Then the sets will be called as equal sets. That means A equal to B. Then there is equivalent set. Equal sets and equivalent sets have different meaning. Equal sets, cardinal number and number of elements should be same. Number of elements and the elements itself should be same. And in equivalent sets, when cardinal number is same but not elements, that means their cardinal number of elements should be same, but the elements need not to be same. For example, in set A there are 3 elements 1, 2 and 3. In set B there are 3 elements 1, 2 and 3, but elements as you can see are not same. In set A there is 1, 2 and 3, and in set B there is 4, 5 and 6. That means these elements are not same, but their cardinal number is same, and A 3 and NB is 3. So these are equivalent sets, not equal sets. Next type of set is disjoint sets. Two sets have no element in common is called disjoint sets. That means, as discussed before, equivalent set, number of elements are same but elements are not same, so this will also be called as disjoint sets. We have example of disjoint sets as well. Example, set A has elements 9, 8, 7, 6, and set B has elements 4, 5, 16, 20. There are not a single element which is common in both the sets, like 6 is there, 6 is not there, so this is not a disjoint set. Then we come as a subset. What is subset? One set part of another set. For example, this big circle is set B and this small circle is set A. Now, small circle is a part of big circle. A is a subset of set B. This is the symbol of subset. Example, set A elements are 1, 2. Set B elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now set A has element 1, 2 and set B also have element 1, 2. Now set A is a part of set B. Why? Because set B has element 1, 2 and set A also has the same element. So A is a subset because 1 and 2 is contained in set B as well. That is bigger set. Set B is a bigger set and set A is a smaller one. So set A is a subset of set B. Coming to the next topic, there is something called universal set. This is the symbol of universal set. Number of elements or a set of elements which is natural for all, the counting of which is okay for everyone. For example, all elements belonging to particular category. Example, multiple of 3. For you, multiple of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 18, 12, etc. And for somebody else also, multiple of 3 will be same. So the set of elements which is same for everyone in this universe is called universal set. Complement of set. For example, I have taken example of A complement. All elements from universal set except of set A. Means whenever we'll write complement of A, we'll write the elements of the universal set except the element of set A. That means we'll remove the elements of set A from the universal set and write the complement. We'll discuss this with the example, with the help of the example in the next video as well. Then there is union of set A. This is union of set B. So A union B, all elements of set A and set B comes in A union B. Whenever you are asked to write A union B, that means you have to write the elements of A and elements of B as well. You will combine both the elements. For example, set A has 1, 2, 3 and set B has 4, 5, 6. So A union B will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Elements of set A and elements of set B as well. Then there is intersection of sets. For example, A intersection B. Don't confuse with A union B and A intersection B. In A union B, we will write the elements of both the sets A and B. U stands for union over here. And A intersection B, we will write the elements which are common in both the elements. For example, set A has 1, 2 and 3 and set B has 3, 4 and 5. So the common number in the two sets is 3. So A intersection B will be number 3. We'll discuss all these type of queries, all these type of questions in the next video. Now let's understand the symbol. N stands for set of natural number. Whenever there will be set of natural numbers or the set in which all the natural number is given, so we'll write the symbol N. W stands for set of whole numbers. Z stands for set of integers. All the integers will be contained in this type of set. Q stands for set of rational number and R stands for set of real numbers. So this is all about the conceptual knowledge of the sets, and we'll understand all universal, complementary, union, intersection, equal and equivalent set, and many more type of sets with the help of the example and the questions, which will be surely discussed in the next video. So till then, bye bye, take care.